Before installing with the seatbelt, make sure the latch connectors are stored back in the base. Place the Doona base on the vehicle seat so that the back is flat against the seat. Use the recline adjustment knob to adjust the base until the level indicators show the correct position. The white markers should be fully inside the green area. Close the blue lock-off closest to the seatbelt buckle and leave the lock-off on the opposite side open. Route the vehicle seatbelt under and through the belt path. Once the belt is routed correctly, buckle it into the vehicle seat buckle. Pull up on the shoulder portion of the seatbelt while pressing down on the base to tighten the seatbelt. Once the belt is tight, close the blue lock-off over the shoulder portion of the seatbelt. Pull the shoulder belt all the way out, then let it feed back in until you hear clicking. Gently pull on the belt to confirm it's locked. Grab the base at the belt path and gently push side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch. Take one more look at the level indicators on both sides to confirm the white markers are fully inside the green area. Now lower the Doona onto the base until it clicks into place. The indicator on the base will turn green. Rotate the handle into the anti-rebound position until it clicks and locks. Always check your car seat and vehicle manuals for proper installation. If you have questions, consult a certified child passenger safety technician.